I wonder where that Harry went.
YouTube, you already know who I am, who I be, what I do, and what I am, whatever I say, man. So I just got my I just got a car part in the mail. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm gonna be installing it today. Excuse me if the lighting bad, that's why I'm trying to walk back and forth and go outside. So I ordered a Velossa Tech Big Mouth. This right here, some of you guys know what it is, some of you guys don't know what it is. This is for my intake, so more airflow to go to the intake, you know what I mean? So we're gonna be installing this today on the car, on my Stinger. We're about to go ahead and take the front bumper off, look at the instructions, see what I need to do to get done, put it in there, and we're gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all before what it looked like without it, then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like with it, you know what I mean? Hopefully you can hear the more airflow and you can feel it in the engine, but we'll see. I got the black on blue, because if you know me, blue's my favorite color, man. But y'all already know who I am, who I be, what I do, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's KPZ, man. We out. So if you guys don't know how to remove your bumper, here goes some little steps. So as you see right here is a 10 mil. Excuse me. Right there is a 10 mil. This right here is a 10 mil. Then you have these little clamps right here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. And that's on both sides, so when you get those, that's on both sides as well. I'm not gonna show you the other side. Then you have these right here that pop off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So after that, right, where is it at? Right here. Those are 10 mils. You have to take those off as well. And they're on both sides. You gotta take those off as well. 2 10 mils. And as you saw on that tire side, the same thing on this tire side right here as well. The screw, and then you got 3 little clips. And then for me, I have a splitter right here. So I have to take off, I just have to take off one thing under here, which will be this middle one right here. Don't mind my lights, excuse me. I just have to take this off because this is attached to my bumper and I don't have the other clips like the other cars. But usually there's like 3 solid clips or 5 solid clips that you'll have to unscrew. But since this is attached to my bumper, I won't have to take it off. So yeah, I'm gonna get to you guys when I got it off. And I won't take this bumper all the way off just because my lights are 3M'd attached to it. I'm just gonna put something down and make sure I have enough room to get my Velossa Big Mouth there. But y'all stay tuned. Okay, so here it is. It's disconnected. Like I said, on the inside, y'all see this little screw, clip right there. I had some extra stuff because my splitter at the bottom, but y'all don't have to worry about that. Y'all, is this what the hell? I just found this in my bunk. That's crazy. My dad would kill me. It ain't mine. But I can't take it all the way off, and my splitter is protecting it from the bottom, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm not gonna take it all the way off because my LED devil claws. But I have enough space right here to work with it and put it on here. But like I said, I won't disconnect it. My bumper's okay. I may get criticism for it being on the floor, but that's okay. Yeah, so to start this, we gotta move these bolts right here. We gotta remove these bolts right here. These are 10 millimeters. So I'm about to go ahead and remove those real quick. So now it's two 10mm right there. If you can see it, that right there. It's one on each side. And it's another one right there, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew them as well. Those are both 10mm. Let's go ahead and knock that out. So now we have to take off that screw right here on both sides. That screw right there that I'm pointing to is a screw we have to take off, I believe, on both sides. If I'm not mistaken, yes, that screw right there on both sides you gotta take off as well. I'm guessing to take this off, but let's get to it. So now that those are removed and that bolt as well, I have to unclip this. I got to unclip this wiring harness. When you unclip this wiring harness, you got to be real careful because you could mess something up. And then we're gonna remove this piece right here as a whole. So I'm about to unclip this and let's get to work, y'all. So after finally getting this this freaking wiring harness unattached, do it carefully, man. I didn't mess anything up, but as you can see, if you can see, it's like little tabs in there that you have to push down to get this wiring harness off. So make sure you get the wiring harness off, and then go ahead and the next step is to remove this, y'all. So go ahead and take that off, y'all. So there's two more clips on this side for the big wiring harness, and it's one over there and there's one over here. Those are easier than the wiring harness. So now we can take this out. So now you have to take off this part. This is the OEM snorkel part. So just be careful taking this off. And now you gotta add it to your big mouth as well. It has little rivets in it. Make sure all of it's lined up as well. And the two, like I said, this came with 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. You're only gonna need 2 of them. You're only gonna need 2 of them to put them back in. All right, so now we're pretty much about to just put everything back on. So pretty much just slide back on, and you're gonna need to put that bolt back in, which is out of the 2 or 3 that you used earlier, and this one right here as well. Make sure it's nice and snug on there, man. That thing look good already, man. So now we pretty much just about to put the car back together, put my front bumper together, attach my LED lights, man. Just a quick installation. Y'all already know who I am, who I be, man. Stay tuned. Y'all, I forgot one more part. My bad. Fucking up. But that electrical harness, we're not putting this back on. So we have to use these zip ties they sent us to tie this electrical harness to this to the frame right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie this electrical harness to this frame right here. I only send you with 4 zip ties, so you gotta double them up. I'm gonna leave that like that until it bothers me. It's not really a problem, but they're secure. I may add one more right here of my own and just have it in there. Other than that, everything is pretty zip tied and squared away. Now this is the part where I'm pretty sure I put everything back together. And but y'all just stay tuned and watch, man. All right, so I just got done installing my Velossa Tech big mouth. Excuse the car, it's pretty dirty right now. I don't know if you can see it. Nah, you really can't see it, but it's in there. I'll get y'all a closer look. There you go right there. I think I put it in pretty good, installed it pretty nice. I'm not sure what else I want to do to the car, man. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like the video, man, if it was helpful. Sorry I was all over the place, man. First time doing this. I'm not a mechanic. I just work on snowfall for a living, man. But that's it, man. I look rough, so I will not be behind the camera right now, man. Make sure y'all, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Show me some love. Give me the hate. Tell me what I could have done better. Tell me what I should do to the car next or something like that, man. Y'all already know who I am, who I be, what I do. It's your boy KPZ, man. And we out.